Hey Gems, welcome back to my channel. I don't have an intro of any music playing because YouTube has been hating on me. But if you are new here, I hope you enjoy my content as well as subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a work with me video. Oh my God, what are you doing? We in a trap. I get to my job normally at 8 a.m. I'm a receptionist at a senior facility where we take care of independent, assisted, and hospice residents. Also, for those who are retiring, they usually come here to retire, or other senior facilities. These are actually like mini apartments. I've been here for 5 years as a receptionist, and what I do here is answer the phones, take messages, log packages, greet guests and residents, and now take temperatures of guests that comes in. We haven't been taking guests because we're on lockdown. We usually follow the LA County rules, so we're not allowing guests inside of our building, but we allow them to visit outside currently. So yeah, when I get in, I usually put on my mask. I sanitize my area when I first get here, and I re-sanitize it after my breaks and stuff because, someone else be here when I go for my breaks. So that's what I'm just doing here. I love my bosses here, y'all. They the sweetest. And when I say bosses, I mean my bosses only. They gave me a baby shower and a 65-inch TV. My days here are usually slow for the most part, and it gets busy on Fridays and around lunch and dinner time because that's when orders come in, as well as Amazon and shipping companies like USPS and UPS. And on Saturday, sometimes I'm able to do my homework. Once I sanitize everything, is usually the time I will start eating, because I don't eat at work. I usually get something like for takeout to eat. So yeah, I don't eat at work since the pandemic happened, even though like I'm still at risk by eating out, going through the drive-through, but I don't eat. And I usually take my temperature before I sit down, like when my other coworker is still here. I usually take my temperature then and put on a new mask. But yeah, you guys, I drink my coffee. My coffee is from McDonald's, so if it's not like the way I like it, I just get some cream and sugar from our coffee stand in my job and, add it up into there. And I'm just sanitizing my hands before I get my day started. And I usually organize my desk because I'm only here on the weekends. This is my part-time job because if you don't know, I am a teacher. So I just work here as well. I continue to work here because I'm not full-time at my other job. So I have to stay here anyway until, I get full-time at the other job that I'm at. But I've been working hard to get into that job, like going to school and everything to, get to where I need to be. But I've been here for 5 years, and I decided to stay because right now there's no other place I want to work at. And I haven't been putting in no applications or anything like that. But yeah, you guys, I get the sausage McMuffin from McDonald's, and that usually lasts me all day until I'm ready to go home. I sometimes get Uber Eats, but I try not to because Uber Eats is really expensive, especially in Santa Monica. Like, I could order something really small and it'd be like $40. So I try not to get hungry during the day while I'm at work. And I sometimes take off my mask just to eat or drink or take a breather. But for the most part, my mask is on at all times. And we have this book. It's like our diary where we log in the packages. If a resident leaves for the day, the night, the weekend, whatever, we log that into the book that you guys are going to be seeing soon. But I had to get up because someone had came in and I needed to take their temperature. It was a nurse, and they're the only ones that's allowed in our building right now because they're medical. But we're not allowing guests inside our building but we have to take precautions even if a nurse is coming in. Each resident has to log into the book as well when they are on duty, and the next receptionist that comes in has to log in to let everyone know when they're on duty, just in case something happened. If something breaks, if someone goes to the hospital, if someone passes away, we need to know who was here and who knows about what happened. Just, something that's a follow-up we have to do. But let me know where you guys work at, if you work from home, anything that you do. If you're a business owner, let me know down in the comments section. I'm interested in knowing what you guys do as well. If you made it this far in the video, leave me down your favorite emoji or your most recent emoji down in the comment section below so I can know that you're watching a video. I didn't record like every single thing that I do at work. That's why I did the voiceover, because I do work with like paperwork that have like people names and stuff on it, so I didn't record every single thing. I also, like I mentioned, I'm a school teacher, so let me know down below if you guys want a work with me from home teaching video. I can do that for you guys as well. Okay, I'll let the kitchen know. You're welcome. She said she's gonna come down for dinner. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. This glass?
Yeah. It just makes it look so strange.
Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe as well as hit those bell notification. As you guys see, I was talking to a resident. We do have like the little plastic shield, well, like fiberglass, I don't know, that thick glass on top of our desk as well. Even though we have to wear a mask and stuff, we have a glass, so that gives us extra protection as well. Here I am watching a little Netflix on my laptop. Let me know what you guys are watching on Netflix or Amazon Prime or anything of that nature. But thank you guys for coming to work with me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And thank you all so much for watching. And thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. For this pussy top.